Hello, and welcome to CommonLit. This video will help you get to know this site so that you can do your best on all of your CommonLit assignments. We have thousands of great texts, different sets of questions, and lots of tools to help you succeed. Your teacher should provide you with instructions on how to create or log into your account. Once you have an account set up, you'll find your assignments with their due dates here on your My Assignments page. Click on an assignment to get started. The first thing you'll see is some important background information about the author and the text you are about to read. Read it closely. It will help the text make more sense. You may also see a bolded suggestion about what to take notes on as you read. Taking notes while you read will help you better understand the text. Click Got It to start reading. Above the questions panel, you'll see our student accessibility tools. This set of tools includes Read Aloud, Translate, and Annotations. To hear parts or all of the text read out loud, click the Read Aloud button. Then, click the Play button to hear text read from the beginning. If you leave the page, we'll save your spot. Just click Play to pick up where you left off when you return. You can also click a speaker icon next to any paragraph, line, or question to hear it read aloud. You can translate parts of the text into different languages using our Translate tool. Click Translate, choose your translation language, and select a globe icon to read a translation. Our highlighter button provides instructions on how to annotate a text. All you have to do is select the text you want to annotate and decide whether to highlight it or leave a note. All your annotations will be saved, and they will be visible to your teacher. You can use this tool to remember key details, help you answer questions, or to find evidence to support the annotation task or a question from your teacher. Most texts also have footnotes that give definitions of words or phrases that you might not know but are really important to the meaning of the text. CommonLit texts have different types of questions you might encounter. The two most common ones are guided reading and assessment questions. Guided reading mode breaks up the text into small chunks with a question you answer after each section. Once you answer the question correctly, you will see the next section of the text appear. If you answer a guided reading mode question correctly on the first try, you will receive a star. If it takes you more than one try to get the correct answer, you'll receive half a star. After you finish reading the text, you can answer the final assessment questions. This can include multiple choice and short answer questions. If a question asked about a certain section of the text, you can click on the link to jump to that part of the text quickly. For short answer questions, you can type your answer into the text box. If you need to come back to an assignment later, that's okay. You can click Save and all of your work will be there. Once you're finished, hit Submit. Your teacher can now grade your assignment. When your teacher has graded your assignment, you can view your grade on the My Performance page. Here are some tips on how to do better on all of your CommonLit assignments. Read each text closely. Take notes on your thoughts while you read. Use the footnotes. And use the accessibility tools. We hope this site helps you become a better reader. Do your best and enjoy your reading.